This tutorial is going to talk about all of the laser and impact etching capabilities available to you through the online Monument Designer. I've set up a black stone on the canvas. When working with etchings, you will probably want to go with the solid black color choice at the bottom. This color has less white texture and is therefore more suitable for etchings. The etching components icon is located here, right above the backgrounds icon. It works similarly to the sandblast component categories. Just click on the category you want to view to open it. Use the previous and next buttons to navigate through the pages. Click and drag to add etching components to your canvas. Using our etchings, you have access to scenes like these. As well as an array of components like these. Additionally, you have the ability to build and customize your own scenes using Design Mart's components. We'll use this scene as an example. We could put a barn in the field on the left. I'll just go to the Etching Components icon, select Buildings and Structures, and drag over the component I would like to use. Now maybe we want to put a truck on the road. We'll go to Etching Components, select Transportation, and drag over the component. The truck needs to be sized up slightly. To do this, select the truck. A bounding box will appear. Pull the handle in the bottom right corner to adjust the size. Now that we have our scene all set up, we'll discuss how to export an etching package for use with your laser or impact etcher. First, make sure that your design is named in the top right corner, or else you will not be able to export it. Go to the Export As drop-down box and click Etching Package. You will see an indication that the folder is downloading. Once it is done, open your File Explorer and locate your Downloads folder. The Etchings folder should be near the top. Right-click on the zip folder and choose Extract All. You will be asked if you want to save the new folder in the same location as the old folder or change it. For this example, I'm going to save the new folder to the Downloads folder as well. Once it saves, the folder should open. The folder will include an AI file, a DXF file, a JPEG file, a composite PNG file, a DXF file in inches, as well as a matte PNG. The AI and DXF files are CAD files that include only items that are able to be cut in stencil for sandblast by your CAD application. In this case, only the name Nissan will be included in these files. The JPEG file is your standard color picture. This is the file you might show a customer for approval. The composite PNG file is made up of all the white pixels in the etching you've created. As you can see here, this PNG file has a transparent background, which is represented by the checkered board pattern. The last file, the matte PNG file, contains a solid black background. The white image is on top. These files include everything you should need to laser or impact etch using designs from Design Mart's online Monument Designer. All laser and impact etchers and their corresponding software are different. Therefore, you should expect to make adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and intensity prior to etching. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.